tingin mo, what's the line between not putting in effort na and just like low-key? Like, anong pwedeng gawin na?
I feel like, like you guys can keep it low-key. Like, example, hindi kayo both, and it has to be a mutual decision. Basta lang both kayo, you agree na, okay, low-key means we have to keep our privacy by not posting much on social media. And if we have problems, we face it together, just you and me, fix it.
Yeah.
But doesn't mean that we are not gonna try and make an effort na we give an effort for both of us to feel seen, loved, and heard.
Yeah,
Kasi,
and tsaka
diba?
it's not okay that ganun lang kayo, diba? Even though you guys are low-key, you should always find ways to make each other happy and make the relationship escalate, like the levels of it. Kasi you guys have to get to a point na kahit bored kayo or you guys have been together for so long, kailangan nyo talaga na makahanap ng ways para to excite things with one another.
Actually, that's what my brother said then to me. Kasi, well, right now he's married and sabi niya, well, there are really times, and I feel like not just if you're married, but in a relationship daw, there are really times na parang, it's not always happy times, it's boring times sometimes, sad times, pero sabi niya parang, yung isang hindi niya dapat i-let go talaga, kahit ganun, is yung dapat may, ano pa rin, yung mga little kilig moments.